Last week, Amazon's own AI coding tool was asked to make a small fix. Instead, it deleted the entire environment and rebuilt it from scratch. AWS spent 13 hours recovering. If Amazon can't deploy AI safely, what makes you think your AI tools are any different? Hi, my name is Mike Din, Non Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012. Our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind. Do this before your competitors figure this out first. Every morning, you open Seller Central and trust that the platform works. Your ads are running, your listings are live, customers can find you and buy. Last week, for 6 hours, they couldn't. Amazon's main retail site went down. 6 hours of dead air on the biggest e-commerce platform on earth. 4 high-severity incidents hit Amazon in a single week. 4, the kind their own internal documents describe as having, quote, high blast radius. And one of those incidents, Amazon's own AI coding tool, called Kiro, was asked to make a routine change, a small fix, the software equivalent of tightening a loose screw. Instead, the AI decided to delete the entire environment and rebuild it from scratch, like calling a plumber for a leaky faucet, and they knocked down the wall. 13 hours to recover from one decision an AI made on its own. Amazon built AWS. They pioneered cloud computing. Thousands of engineers, billions in infrastructure, decades of operational discipline. If any company on earth should be able to deploy AI safely, it's them. And their own tool nuked an environment because it decided starting over was faster. Dave Treadwell, Amazon's SVP, sent a briefing note to engineers. Direct quote, "The availability of the site and related infrastructure has not been good recently. But the line that matters is buried deeper. Under contributing factors, Amazon wrote, novel Gen AI usage for which best practices and safeguards are not yet fully established." Read that again. S practices and safeguards, not yet fully established. Amazon shipped AI tools to their engineers before the guardrails existed. They are building the parachute on the way down, and they just admitted it in writing. Their fix? Junior and mid-level engineers can no longer push AI-assisted code changes without a senior engineer signing off. A checkpoint. A person in the loop before AI-generated changes go live. That's Amazon's answer. Slow down, add a review layer, make sure someone experienced looks at what the AI wants to do before it does it. Now here's where this stops being Amazon's problem and starts being yours. AI tools are multiplying faster than anyone can evaluate them. AI ad managers, listing optimizers, repricing tools, every one of them promises to save you time by making changes to your live business, and every one of them has the same fundamental issue Amazon just exposed. AI doesn't make small mistakes. It makes confidently large ones. A VA managing your ads makes a typo on one campaign, annoying, fixable, small blast radius. An AI tool asked to lower bids on one underperforming campaign, it can confidently adjust all 100 of your campaigns in seconds. The blast radius scales with the AI's speed. That 6-hour retail outage cost sellers real money. Lost sales, tanked conversion rates, wasted ad spend driving traffic to a storefront that couldn't process orders. But that's a platform problem. You can't control it. What you can control is what happens inside your own account. And right now, most sellers are handing AI tools the keys to their campaigns, their listings, their pricing, without asking the one question that matters. If this is the kind of insight you want for your own business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. The question isn't, can this tool help me? Of course it can. It's not, is AI the future? Obviously. The question is, if this tool makes a confidently wrong decision at 2 a.m. on a Tuesday, what does the damage look like before I wake up and catch it? What's the blast radius if this gets it wrong? Amazon's answer was to add a senior checkpoint. Yours should be the same principle, and it maps to 3 habits. before any AI tool touches your live campaigns. Know exactly what it can change. Know whether it can make bulk changes or only single adjustments. Know whether it asks for confirmation or acts autonomously. Know whether there's an undo button, and whether undo actually restores your previous state or just makes a new change on top of the damage. Habit 1. Here's what a blast radius audit looks like. You're evaluating an AI bid manager. Question 1. Can it change all of my campaigns at once or only the ones I select? Question 2. If I say pause underperforming campaigns, does it ask me to confirm which ones, or does it act the moment I submit? Question 3. If something goes wrong, does undo actually reverse the change, or does it apply a correction on top of the damage? Free questions, 5 minutes. That is your blast radius audit. Habit 2. If you're building your own AI workflows, connecting Claude to your ad account through something like Seller Labs MCP server, you can write the answers directly into a rules file before any session starts. Only modify campaigns I name explicitly. Never make bulk changes. Confirm before touching more than one campaign. Claude reads that file before it touches anything. That is the agentic safeguard Amazon's SVP said they're still building toward. Whether you use our tools or build your own, the principle is the same. Sellers connecting real Amazon data to AI today can have it right now. Habit 3. Takes 60 seconds. After any AI session that touched your live account, pull up the changelog and read what it actually did. Not to micromanage every decision, to catch the one confidently wrong move before it compounds overnight. If the tool you're evaluating doesn't have a changelog at all, that's your answer to question 1 of the blast radius audit. The sellers who are going to win with AI aren't the ones who adopt the fastest. They're the ones who adopt with the right guardrails. Speed without a checkpoint isn't efficiency. It's a liability with a timer on it. Amazon just showed us what happens when the most sophisticated tech company in e-commerce ships AI before the safeguards are ready. Your business doesn't have thousands of engineers to spend 13 hours recovering. You get one shot to catch the mistake before it compounds. Are you using any AI tools that can make changes to your live Amazon account right now? Do you know the blast radius? Drop a comment below. See you in the next one.